speech yesterday night. Yesterday.
Night.
I saw your video that you speech there in the burial.
I give her other good news from the Holy God.
Holy God, the words. And
The
then what else?
word of the Holy God, and
But
I will.
but I feel that you are crying. It seems like you're crying and shaking. What
Yeah,
happened?
because I'm very emotion that we are the words of God will be give there and where when that many people that they
Touching.
yeah.
Touch their heart. Yeah. People also, your relatives there is also serious watching you and
Yeah,
listen to your God
listen.
words.
Many are your
Word of
cousin
God.
listen to our uh, message.
Ah, dali pa ni
Yes.
mo, doy?
Likod lang. Likod.
Ha?
Na, may kauban ni na. I'm very proud that I'm very your sa
What's your?
yang sana ayun ayun
What? You're very proud because
because
you're the one lead the
you
speech there.
you listen my speech. I'm
Yes, I'm watching the video there and Auntie Nita's live.
eh I'm
And
very
then I'm very proud to share that this is my father. My father.
yeah
Oh,
yeah
nice electric fan, pink.
huh
Why
fun
the electric fan is working but it is there? No people is there. Why it's working?
ah
Your electric fan it seem like the LC of the helicopter, like
yeah
this.
yeah because the electric pan here in the 16 for 16
Uh, How about Babay? Is there?
ah
What they told you? Uncle Jaime, what they told you?
na
Hello?
hello I miss also listen to our speech about the words of God.
Where is the camera? Your camera is on back. I want to see your face.
Wala rin nakita. Oh, nakita na.
What happened?
I'm very...
Camera.
Ay, Aliyah. Ay, naku.
Aliyah, what you did the cam? Hello?
Hello.
The camera, yeah. Now it's good now.
Ayun. Istorya ba diha?
Huh? Aliyah, don't move the camera. It's blurred. It's blurred. Shaking your cam na.
Ayaw lagi na. Tugon.
Manang panihapon?
Not yet.
There's it on.
Julius is chicken.
Oh.
Chicken.
Sana all chicken. Native.
Yeah.
Inshallah, this coming September, maybe I will go vacation. Prepare for me chicken native, okay?
Okay.
Because I want to eat the native chicken. You know the native chicken? Native chicken, the one you not Eating feeds, eating normal food only.
Ah. Not farming.
Not
White,
farm.
white one.
Not
Normal.
white. Normal. I like that one. Soup.
Ah,
Sige na tayo. Gabay na.
babay na.
Kasi makasulit ka to sa balay ba? 6:10.
Ayara.
Ina si Lolo, ipapinising tong France ako ang kuan.
Ang sa atubangan.
Nya tong ceiling na ko dito tayo. Sa man to tayo? Tanaw ko tong ceiling na ko kung pila ka kuan ang kailangan ato. Na langkat naman to.
Ay, katong kisame.
Sa terrace, oh.
Ang gagmay man to ang nakuan. Duha ka kuan, gagmay nga. Nahulog na.
Kasi pwede to mapalitan og kanang kuan. Isa.
Pwede.
Kapanid. Pila may panid? Ang isa ka panid ato.
400 yata to ang isa. 400.
Kuan ba sana nanatoy pintura dito kay Angel, tulo ka kilong pintura at tulo ka litro.
Unsa may pinturahan?
Katong sa tubangan, inig humag finishing pa pinturahan to.
Di ay. Oh,
Or kuan on sa man pa-withdraw si Julius og 2,000 ipakuan nito, sana pa-finishing tanan na lang siguro, ipa-finishing tanan ang akong balay. Igo na 2,000.
ambot lang ka. Upat kadlaw. Nya ang kuan day balas og simento.
Kana gani.
Adi kay
Di
goy.
kasya?
Di soro kaigo kay kuan man. Ang kuan day ang simento balas
Libor?
pa.
Kato na kaloloy what is sobra dito?
Ambot lang mamimig istorya.
O, pa-withdraw si Julius og 5 basi makapadatos pipir unya sa akong account. Pa-withdraw si Julius og 5.